the right way, in a feel-good way, and in the best way possible for them, for the brand, and for the planet.
So if you could do for digital products, we can also do for other products.
Consumers, our team, and the planet.
Opportunity for customers.
एप्ट्रॉनिक्स ने भारत के रिटेल सिस्टम में एक बड़ा बदलाव करते हुए ई वेस्ट के खिलाफ नई पहल शुरू की है। भारत के सबसे बड़े एप्पल प्रीमियम पार्टनर एप्ट्रॉनिक्स ने लिमिटलेस एप्ट्रॉनिक्स एक्सचेंज पावर्ड बाय सर्विफाई लॉन्च किया है। इस पहल की सबसे खास बात यह है कि अब ग्राहक किसी भी ब्रांड के किसी भी हालत में, चाहे डिवाइस चालू हो या पूरी तरह खराब, ऐसे 10 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं। काम करने वाले डिवाइस की कीमत एप्पल प्रोडक्ट के अपग्रेड में जुड़ जाएगी और जो डिवाइस बिल्कुल बेकार है उनके बदले पेड़ लगाए जाएंगे। यह प्रोग्राम भारत में हर साल पैदा होने वाले 32 लाख टन ई वेस्ट की समस्या से निपटने की दिशा में बड़ा कदम है। सर्विफाई की AI टेक्नोलॉजी से डिवाइस का तेज और प्रदर्शी मूल्यांकन होगा, जबकि करो संभव यह सुनिश्चित करेगा कि हर डिवाइस का सरकारी नियमों के अनुसार सुरक्षित रिसाइकिल हो।
I see Aptronics to be the only Apple expert in the country. I mean, I see us to be in every part of India and helping Apple consumers or potential consumers upgrade to Apple the right way, in a feel-good way, and in the best way possible for them, for the brand, and for the planet. And we want to do something which is different. We always want to break previous records, do something path-breaking. And as long as that intent is there, I'm sure that, we're going to be reaching every part of India and doing the right thing by consumers, which is the number one priority. Consumers, our team, and the planet. Okay, so it's not just dead devices. We're actually handling all sorts of devices, which is dead, barely working, and working really well. But when it comes to the dead devices, we've tied up with an agency called Karo Sambhav, which is one of the very few government-recognized agencies in India to responsibly handle and recycle and destroy e-waste in India. So they are tackling the entire e-waste, which is dead devices, part of the program. But when it comes to the barely working to the working very well devices, that entire cycle is handled by Sri and Servify team, where they take those devices and then they are able to recycle it through their network of vendors, which I think he can brief you about.
Yeah, sure. So I think in such a returns business, unfortunately, it's either inefficiency or fraud that really was the problem earlier. I think we've solved that now for many years. One, by using technology. So there is a full diagnostic process, which is very, very scalable. We've done it for now ages. So the whole assessment to valuation to then whom should it go and where should it land? I think that entire cycle is where we come with our experience. We've got over 800 buyers at the back end who are like buying real time based on an auction platform. So logistically, I think we've solved it. Commercially, the idea here is to make it good for the consumer. Earlier, it was only specific products which are like digital products, smartphones, laptops, iPads, and others. With this initiative, it's going to be a whole range of products, including adapters to microwave ovens to everything. So if you could do for digital products, we can also do for other products. I think we are just extending to multiple product categories, and this initiative gives that opportunity to the customer where they can consolidate their junk electronics at home and buy an Apple product. आपको एक statistics बताता हूँ. हिंदुस्तान में 140 crore people, right? 1.4 billion people. फिर भी सिर्फ 1 करोड़ आईफोन बिकता है साल में. तो एस्पिरेशनली कितना जन बाकी है? 139 crore more opportunity for customers. आप उनके लिए how do you enable that upgrade easier? तो कुछ चीजें लोन से होगा, कुछ चीजें डिस्काउंट से होगा, कुछ एक्सचेंज से होगा. हमने बोला ये प्रोग्राम while commercially it is very good, but also you're doing good for the environment and for customers. So I think 5 साल बाद, like she said,
I'm hoping that this will redefine the way electronics are sold in India.
No, I can tell you, in your store you will have a separate place just to store the tens of gadgets that the customers will bring.
I hope so.
Rather than just an experience location, you have a big warehouse next to your store.